National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Stone County in north-central Arkansas, northwestern Independence County in north-central Arkansas, northeastern Cleburne County in north-central Arkansas, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:43 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Mountain View, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Batesville, Mountain View, Cushman, Bethesda, Almond, Pleasant Grove, Marcella, Luber, Desha, Locust Grove, St. James,